Introducing versatile printing with Epson's first desktop UV printer, the SC-V1030 and SC-V2030. With its broad substrate compatibility, businesses can diversify their print offerings to meet the needs of retail and corporate clients seeking customized products, including corporate and novelty items. With its compact design, the SC-V1030 and SC-V2030 can be flexibly placed within your work area, improving space management while reducing disruption within the work area. The printer can be placed against a wall or at a corner. Alternatively, it can also be placed on your work desk, making workflow seamless. Thanks to its unique front operation design, all print operations and basic maintenance, such as ink change and substrate loading, can be carried out from the front of the printer. Users can access the replaceable ink packs on the left. From the front, users can load the substrates or to carry out maintenance work, such as changing out the air filter. Users can also access and change the wiper unit when prompted by the printer. Moreover, the SC-V1030 and SC-V2030 feature a transparent casing design where users can view the print progress. If the print job needs to be cancelled midway through printing, click Cancel on the LED screen. This will reduce any wastage of substrate and ink. Grow your business and open doors to new opportunities with SC-V1030 and SC-V2030 today.